NAAR literally means fire in Kashmiri, but it's not the fire that we cook on, it's the fire within us that has propelled us to do this restaurant and to take this uncharted path. For me, NAAR is more than just a restaurant. What we rely on is what mountain gives us, and that's what NAAR sort of feeds on. Real progress is about evolving on day-to-day, on daily basis, and evolvement also means the choices that we make in terms of how we live. For me, sustainability is just not about the food you eat. It is about the choices that you make. It is about the kind of ingredients that we pick. It is about the clothes we wear. It is also about the car we drive. And for me, that is the real true sense of the journey of progress.